Ooh, child. Good morning, you guys. Hope you guys' mornings are going great. Afternoon, night, whenever you're watching this, babes. Anyway, so I'm on my way to the grocery store. Not now, not looking like this, but I'm about to jump in the tub, get Brianna ready. We're just waiting on our father. He went to do like a quick little job and he'll be back. So, yeah, I'm going to jump in the shower. And I'll see you guys when we reach the grocery store. Yay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, y'all, so we're in the bus. We're going to the grocery store, finally. Oh my god, you guys, I just confused my child this morning using that toothbrush on her hair, okay? My poor child, she was like, brush teeth? But she's, when it gone on her hair, I know she was confused. She was probably like, I thought this was for the mouth. Now you putting this in my hair? Oh my god, now she probably is going to start putting the toothbrush in her hair. Oh my goodness. I have to get me one of them things. But they look like toothbrush as well. The stuff what they sell at the store. I need my sunscreen. I can't find my sunscreen. Well, whatever. We have to do it all there. So I'll see you guys when we reach the grocery store. Brianna walking today. She feeling good. Hey. That's the last trolley, eh? For some salmon. Hey, it's reach the register, so we should know the price. What? No rice in? We had that before? Yeah. And a good time I like. You get a few. Almost 30. She even got it. Lettuce. Brianna! This girl running away. I want half green. Alright. Come.
Oh yeah.
Okay, y'all, so we're at the grocery store. I don't know how much footage I got because the list was on my phone. I'm trying to go on my phone and look at the list and record at the same time. Girl, that was rough. And Brianna would not stop running around. I don't know where she get the spunk from to be.
Hello. Bye-bye.
I mean, she wasn't shy today. She was just I don't know, all over the store, running away from people. But I had to put on my, my big girl voice and be like, no, 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 stop it. She listens, but she don't listen to her father. Okay? He don't tap that ass, but I do. Mama do discipline. Okay? I'm talking. Shh. Zip it. Zip. Zip it. Yeah. But yeah, we're on our way back. So, yeah. Do y'all want a grocery haul? I guess I'll do a little grocery haul. Hey guys, so we're back. I'm just gonna do a quick little haul for you guys. What we got? Good job. It's hot. Got some bread, some digestive cookies, 5 jasmine rice, some Kraft macaroni, 4 of those, some bug spray, some croutons. Wow. Got some tuna, corned beef, mackerel spaghetti, some lotion for Brianna, nut butter, ranch, bananas, peanuts. We have to cook these ourselves. Broccoli, apples, peppers, onion, chicken breast. Let me put this inside the deep freeze now. So we have to go to the next store to get some more meat. We're gonna get our meat from someplace else. Brianna, move for this can for me, girl. Some chips for Brie. Shampoo, soup and mackerel. Seasoning. This seasoning is the bomb. Garlic and onion, bouillon, whatever. I can't pronounce that. I love this. It's my new favorite seasoning. You don't need nothing much but this. Just salt. Probably a bit of salt. Noodles. 2 noodles, I don't know. Tissue. It's for now, okay? Okay, you guys. So this is everything we got. Yeah. So y'all, it's pretty hot. Okay, I'm gonna put up these groceries and give Brianna a bath. Probably the next hour. Give myself a next bath because it's hot. Good job. Good morning, you guys. Anyway, so it's the next day. It's early in the morning. I've been up from, I would say, from 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's like after 7. I couldn't sleep. I was in bed all night. Couldn't sleep. So I was like, you know what? Let me get up. It's time after 7. Still can't sleep. So she might just get up now while Brianna's still sleeping and clean up. I might drink me some coffee. I haven't had coffee yet. a few days. A few days. Wow.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Y'all, anyway, so I'm done from cleaning. It's like after 12, going on for 1 o'clock. I even wash out a few things, like my workout clothes. They be the first thing they get dirty, and I need them to work out in. I'm just about to do some skipping rope. We call it skipping rope. I don't know, jump rope, skipping rope, whatever. I'm about to do that inside the house, inside the living room, because it's too hot to go outside. Sometimes I just like to get my workout in early. Sometimes I don't like to go walking in the afternoons, or I just like to get it done sometimes. Like once my mind is on it, I just want to get it done. That's what we're about to do right now.